Hello everyone. How to check if the net will give me a closed cube or not? By the way, all of these are the 11 nets of a cube that can fold to make a closed cube. Now let's check if they are going to to make a closed cube or not. With a simple way, choose a face in the middle and make it base. This is the base of the cube as example. So this face will close this side, this face will move with the same direction, then like a door will close this side, this will move in the same direction because they are sticking together, then like a door closing this side, this will close to this side, and this will be at the top opposite to the base. So this will make a closed cube because all the four sides are closed and the base and the top are already here. Here it's the same. Make the middle one as base. This will close this side. This will move in the same direction. Then like a door closing this side. This will close this side. This will close this side. And this will move in the same direction making a top. So all the four sides are closed and the base and top are here. So this will make. Here again, choose a base. This will close this side. This will move the same direction. Then like a door, close this side. This will close this side. This will move at the same direction, making a top. And this will move in the same direction. Then like a door will close this side. Here, choose one in the middle. If I choose this one, this will move into the base to close this side. This in the same direction. And then like a door, close this side. This will move in this direction to close this side. This will move in the same direction to the base, making a top. Okay, then this will move like a door here, or when this one will be at the top, this will move in the same direction, then we'll go down to close this side. So all the sides are closed and base and top are here, so this will make a closed cube. Here, choose the middle one. This will close this side. 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 This will move in the same direction. So it's going to be at the top of the cube. So the four sides are closed and the base and top are here. Here, choose one in the middle as base. This will close this side. This when you fold it, close this side. This will move to the base, closing this side. This in the same direction, then like a door, close this side. This in the same direction, beside this side, so it will close the top. So the four sides are closed and the base and top are here. And here, choose one in the middle, like this one. This will close this side. This will move in the same direction, then like a door, closing this side. This will go to the base, closing this side. This same direction, which means we'll make a top. This same direction, then like a door, closing this side. The four sides are closed and base and top are here. Here, choose one in the middle. You can choose this one or this one. This will close this side. This move in the same direction, then closing this side. This will move in the same direction, closing this side. This moving in the same direction and be in the top or at the top. Okay, and this one will be beside the top here. Then it will close like a door down here, closing this side. Okay, so four sides are closed, base and top are here. We'll make a closed cube. Here, choose one in the middle, which is this one as base. This will move to close this side. This will move to close this side like a door. This will move to close this side. This will be moved to close this side. And this one will be at the top in the same direction, opposite to the base. Base and top, and four sides are closed. Here, choose this one as base. This will move like this one to close this door. To close this side. Then this will move like the same direction, then like a door to close this side. This one also will move like a door, but to close the other side here, okay? Then this will move down to close this side, and this will move to the same direction, will be top opposite to the base. Base and top, 4 sides are closed. Last one here, choose one in the middle, like this one, choose this one as base. This will fold to close this side. This will move the same direction, then like a door, closing this side. This will move to close this side. This will move, then like a door to close this side. This sticking to this one. So this one will move in the same direction, okay? And when you close this one like a door, this also will close like a door, but this time it will be opposite to the base, okay? So this one will be top. A little bit harder than the others, but it will fold like this. If you want to try it, copy this on a paper and cut it and try to fold it. It will fold like this, and it will be top and base, and the 4 sides are closed.